I hope you stay the same, yun, bubbly, happy, cool person na you are, and stay spunky, stay kind, and stay happy. Stay happy, boss. Happy birthday.
I know you are very loved, very much loved, together with your two kuyas. So, strive hard lang in your life. Fly high and soar high. Okay? Happy birthday.
I close my eyes. Oh God, I think I'm falling.
Good luck to your college journey, my Koto Mashan, and I hope that we will still make fun memories together in the future. Happy birthday.
When you call my name, it's like a little breath. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take you there. In the midnight hour, I can feel your power. Just like a breath, you know I'll take you there.
Happy birthday, twin sister. Ako laging kaaway mo, lagi kitang pinagagalitan kasi makikinig ka lagi sa amin ng nanay, tsaka ng tita Wek, tsaka ni tatay. Mag-mature ka na. Maging responsable ka na, college ka na. I love you so much. Lahat ng gusto mo, ibibigay ko hanggat kaya ko. I'll spoil you, sobra.
Life is a mystery.
I wish na manatili kang happy and healthy as you enter adulthood. Ipagpatuloy mo lang yung mga kung saan ka sumasaya, and I'm sure making successful ka. Thank you kasi naging kaibigan kita, and good luck sa future endeavors mo. Tandaan mo na nandito lang kami lagi para sa'yo.
Whatever you will go through in the future, mayroon kang malaking support system. You have your family and friends here to give you the help and love that you need.
When you call my name, it's like a little breath. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take you there. In the midnight hour, I can feel your power. Just like a breath, you know I'll take you there. When you call my
Happy birthday, Dada. Wish ko sa'yo makatapos ka ng pag-aaral, patuloy yung pagiging mabait na anak, mahalin yung dalawang kuya, nanay at tatay.
Just like a breath, you know I'll take you there.
Ako, kami ng nanay-tatay mo is susuportahan ka lagi namin. Kaya kung anong gusto mong marating, basta ipursu mo lang siya ng ipursu. And then, kung halimbawang hindi mo mag-succeed ang ninanais mo, go mo lang. Go nang go. Hanggang matupad mo. Makuha mo yung talagang nais mo sa buhay mo. So, huwag mong kalilimutan is, lagi lang kami nandito to support you.
Think about me every night, oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso.
Dada naman, nag-uusap naman kami palagi. Alam mo yung mga wishes ko sa'yo, ayoko nga i-announce. So yun lang, basta lumaking malakas at mabait na bata.
Wrapped around my finger, my twisted humor, making love so often.
Kala ko nga, pag nag-18 ka, tapos na yung responsibilidad kong hatid sundo sa eskwelahan mo. Pero mas kailangan pala kitang ihatid sundo. Babantayan kita. Di ba? Siyempre, nag-iisa kong alaga to. Hindi pa pwede. Kala ko, tapos na yung paghatid sundo ko eh. Pero hanggat kaya ni tatay, hatid sundo pa rin kita.
Think about me every night, oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know.
Always continue your passion, perseverance in pursuing your dreams, and hope that you will achieve all of it and manifesting that you will be a successful person someday.
Since you have now entered womanhood, I wish for you to face any challenge you come across with courage and with a smile. Kung ano man ang dream mo, wag na wag mong susukuan yan. We love you.
Let's start me espresso.